Hello friends, I am Manish. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to visit the pride of Hyderabad, the Charminar. Let's start. The journey started from New Delhi, where I took the flight to Hyderabad, and then I took the cab to Charminar. The journey was so beautiful. We have seen lots of clouds, and weather was fantastic. It was warm and amazing weather. In the way we have seen Hussain Sagar Lake, it was amazing piece of artwork. Okay friends, let's begin the journey.
चोड़ी बाजार वरते ये पूरा मदीना मार्केट आहे. लाट बाजार में पूरा मतलब होलसेल टाइप में मिलता है. चोड़ी बाजार हो तो उसमें सारे लेडीज के आइटम्स रहते हैं. ये मदीना मार्केट है, लेडीज बच्चे पूरा.
अच्छा, घर भी सही बने हुए हैं यहाँ पे. इसके ऊपर लोग रहते हैं.
इसके ऊपर
यहाँ पे मदीना बिल्डिंग.
ये ऑफिस भी है, फिर ऊपर से वो खाने का है.
Okay, so now we have reached the Charminar complex. So let me give you some brief history about Charminar. The Charminar constructed in 1591. It is a monument and a mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana state of India. The Charminar is a global symbol of Hyderabad and is listed amongst the most reputed structure in India. It has also been officially incorporated as an emblem of Telangana. There is a mosque on first floor which is in existence for more than 400 years, and that's amazing fact. While both historically and religiously significant, it is also known for its popular market, which is very busy and surrounded by the structure. It is one of the major tourist attraction in Hyderabad, and people from all over the globe come here to visit this place. It has 4 minar, that's why we call it Charminar, and height of each minar is around 160 feet. And the mixed material used in this structure such as granite and limestone. The founder of this beautiful structure was Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, and the architect was Mir Momin Asrawadi. The style is Indo-Islamic structure. It is listed as an archaeological and architectural treasure on the official list of monument prepared by Archaeological Survey of India. And that's me who is clicking the picture with a random girl. And you can see the beauty of this amazing structure. It is an incredible place and it is very crowded even in this summertime. As well, you can see thousands of people here and there. And that's me who is walking in the crowd to get myself clicked. That's the thing you gotta do, and it's very normal there. And you can see the wave of crowd. ASI is the current caretaker of this structure, and there are various theories regarding the purpose of which the Charminar was constructed. However, it is widely accepted that the Charminar was built at the center of the city to commemorate the eradication of the cholera, a deadly disease which was spreading at that time. The market here is very big, as you can see in the images, and you can buy anything you want to buy here. Like you can buy jewelries, goggles, clothes, and each and everything you can buy here. To avoid heat and the sun, it's better to visit in the evening time. You can see nice lighting there in the evening, but I did not have any choice, so I went there in the afternoon time. Alright friend, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.